How to change font size on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the font size in the REDnote app. It's super simple and quick, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen and you will enter the profile page. In here, simply tap on the settings. Now in the settings section, you can see the option label general settings. Simply tap on that. And from here, you can see the option font size. Again, simply tap on that. And in here, you will be able to choose from different options like normal, large or larger. For example, I will keep mine to normal, but feel free to choose the one that works best for you. And once you have selected the preferred font size, don't forget to hit save to apply the changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed the font size in your REDnote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.